Want a home that feels like a warm hug? Imagine walking into a space that instantly makes you feel at ease, where every corner whispers comfort and every detail speaks of warmth. A place where you can unwind, relax, and truly feel at home. Imagine stepping into a space with the calming hues of soft mint and warm beige. These colors are not just visually appealing, they have a soothing effect on the mind and soul. Mint brings a fresh, invigorating feel, while beige adds a touch of warmth and coziness. Together, they create a harmonious balance that is both refreshing and comforting. That's the magic of a cozy rustic farmhouse. It's a style that combines the charm of the countryside with the comfort of modern living. Think of it as a perfect blend of old and new, where rustic elements meet contemporary design. It's about creating a space that feels timeless and inviting. It's all about comfortable living, natural elements, and a touch of vintage charm. Imagine wooden beams, vintage furniture, and natural fabrics coming together to create a space that feels both lived in and loved. It's a style that celebrates imperfections and embraces the beauty of natural materials. This isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a space that feels authentic and true to you. A home that tells your story and reflects your personality. It's about embracing the imperfections and finding beauty in the everyday moments. It's about creating a home that reflects you, your tastes, your memories, your passions. Every piece of decor, every piece of furniture should have a story to tell. It's about making your home a true reflection of who you are. Think hand-me-down furniture, repurposed finds, and DIY projects that add character. These elements bring a sense of history and uniqueness to your space. They make your home feel personal and one of a kind. It's about finding joy in the process of creating and transforming. Ready to roll up your sleeves? There's something incredibly satisfying about taking on a DIY project and seeing it come to life. It's about putting your own stamp on your home and making it truly yours. Whether it's painting a piece of furniture, creating a piece of art, or building something from scratch, the possibilities are endless. Let's transform your home into a farmhouse haven. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn any space into a cozy, inviting retreat. It's about making the most of what you have and finding new ways to bring warmth and charm to your home. We'll explore simple DIY projects, budget-friendly ideas, and the power of soft mint and warm beige. From painting walls to repurposing old furniture, there are countless ways to refresh your space without breaking the bank. It's about being resourceful and finding creative solutions that work for you. Get ready for a fun, creative journey. Your dream farmhouse awaits. It's not just about the end result, but the journey of getting there. The process of creating, experimenting, and discovering new ideas is what makes it all worthwhile. So, let's embark on this exciting adventure together and turn your home into a mint and beige dream. Creating a beautiful farmhouse home doesn't require a big budget. It's about ingenuity and a little DIY spirit. With some paint, fabric, and a dash of creativity, you can transform your space. Think about giving old furniture a fresh coat of paint. Distress it for a vintage look. Turn mason jars into charming vases. Repurpose old windows into picture frames. The possibilities are endless. These budget-friendly DIY projects add personality and warmth to your home. It's about making your mark and creating a space that feels uniquely yours. Let's dive into some easy, affordable DIY projects that will breathe new life into your home. Soft mint and warm beige, a match made in farmhouse heaven. These colors create a sense of calm and comfort, perfect for a relaxing atmosphere. Mint, reminiscent of fresh gardens, brings a touch of the outdoors in. It's refreshing, airy, and adds a pop of subtle color. Warm beige, like sun-kissed hay, provides a neutral backdrop. It's inviting, cozy, and complements the coolness of mint beautifully. Together, they create a balanced palette. It's both calming and uplifting, setting the stage for your farmhouse haven. One person's trash is another's farmhouse treasure. Upcycling is about giving old items a new purpose. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and adds so much character. Imagine turning old crates into rustic shelves, or using vintage suitcases as unique side tables. Old doors can become charming headboards. These repurposed pieces become conversation starters. They tell a story and add a touch of history to your home. Upcycling is a sustainable way to decorate. It's about appreciating the beauty in imperfection and creating a home filled with unique, meaningful pieces. Section 5. Kitchen Creations, Rustic Charm on a Budget. Today, we're diving into how you can bring that cozy, rustic charm into your kitchen without breaking the bank. The kitchen, the heart of the farmhouse. It's where meals are prepared, stories are shared, and memories are made. Let's make it a space that radiates warmth and comfort. Let's transform this space into a warm and inviting hub. With a few simple changes, you can create a kitchen that feels both timeless and welcoming. Start by painting your cabinets. This is one of the most impactful changes you can make. It can completely alter the look and feel of your kitchen. Soft mint for a fresh feel, bringing a touch of nature indoors. This color can make your kitchen feel airy and light, perfect for those who love a serene environment. Or warm beige for a classic look. Beige is timeless and versatile, providing a neutral backdrop that complements a variety of decor styles. Distressing techniques add to the farmhouse charm. By giving your cabinets a weathered look, you can create a sense of history and character in your kitchen. Open shelving is perfect for displaying your favorite dishes. Think vintage plates, which can add a nostalgic touch to your kitchen decor. Mason jars filled with dry goods, not only practical, but also visually appealing. They bring a sense of order and simplicity to your kitchen, and rustic baskets for storage. These baskets can hold anything from fruits and vegetables to kitchen towels, adding both functionality and style. Don't forget about textiles. A beige linen table runner with mint green napkins adds a touch of color. Textiles can soften the look of your kitchen and make it feel more inviting. A braided rug on the floor adds warmth and texture. Rugs can define spaces within your kitchen and make it feel cozier. With a little creativity, your kitchen will be the heart of your farmhouse haven. Embrace the rustic charm and create a space where everyone feels at home. The living room is where we gather and relax. Let's make it a haven of comfort and farmhouse charm. Start with a neutral base. Think a comfortable sofa in beige or cream. Layer on pillows in different textures and patterns, incorporating soft mint and warm beige. A reclaimed wood coffee table adds rustic elegance. Top it with candles, books, and a vintage tray. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Pair a vintage armchair with a modern side table. Hang a gallery wall with family photos and antique finds. Remember, comfort is key. Add cozy throws and blankets for chilly evenings. Let your personality shine through. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. It's the place where you unwind, relax, and let go of the day's stresses. Creating a serene environment in your bedroom can significantly impact your overall well-being and quality of sleep. A wooden bed frame is a farmhouse staple. It brings a touch of rustic charm and warmth to the room, making it feel cozy and inviting. The natural wood tones can create a grounding effect, helping you feel more connected to nature even when you're indoors. Paint it white or a distressed beige for a timeless look. These colors are not only classic, but also versatile, allowing you to easily change up your decor without having to replace the bed frame. The distressed finish adds character and a sense of history to the piece. Layer on soft linens in white or cream, adding a pop of color with a mint green quilt or throw. Incorporate natural textures like cotton, linen, and wool to enhance the cozy feel. These materials are breathable and comfortable, ensuring a good night's sleep. A woven rug adds warmth to the floor. It not only feels great underfoot, but also adds a layer of texture and interest to the room. Choose a rug with natural fibers like jute or sisal for an eco-friendly option that complements the rustic theme. Wooden nightstands topped with vintage lamps create a cozy ambiance. The warm glow of the lamps adds to the serene atmosphere, making the room feel more intimate and inviting. Vintage lamps can also serve as a focal point, adding a touch of nostalgia and charm. Keep the decor simple and serene. Avoid clutter and opt for a minimalist approach. This helps create a calming environment free from distractions. Choose a few key pieces that bring you joy and contribute to the overall tranquility of the space. A few framed botanical prints or a vintage mirror add a touch of elegance. Botanical prints bring a bit of the outdoors in, while a vintage mirror can make the room feel larger and more open. These elements add personality and a sense of refinement to your bedroom. Your bedroom should be your haven, a place to relax and recharge. It's where you start and end your day, so make it a space that reflects your personal style and promotes peace and relaxation. With thoughtful decor choices, you can create a bedroom that truly feels like a serene retreat. Creating a cohesive farmhouse look is all about balance. It's about blending soft mint and warm beige with natural textures and vintage accents. Don't be afraid to mix and match different wood tones. Distressed finishes add to the rustic charm. Incorporate metal accents like galvanized steel or copper for a touch of industrial farmhouse style. Textiles play a key role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Think soft linen, cozy wool, and rustic burlap. Layer them in pillows, throws, and rugs. Remember, less is more. Avoid clutter and focus on showcasing meaningful pieces. Let the beauty of simplicity shine through. Creating your dream farmhouse home is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process, have fun, and let your creativity flow. Start small. Tackle one room at a time. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and DIY projects. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do farmhouse style. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality and makes you feel at home. So gather your paintbrushes, your creativity, and let's get started. Your cozy, rustic farmhouse awaits.